ladies and gentlemen. My aim is to present the extension of temporal dimension to existing metadata models. My name is Karel Janecka, and I'm from the Czech Republic, from the University of West Bohemia in Plzeň. We hope that BRISEIDE will forward its results to inspire drafting teams operating with relevant teams from Annex 2 and 3, and that we will extend results made available by other European projects with temporal information. The extension, time extension of current data models is a part of work package 2. Main aim of this work package is to develop an extended metadata model, building on top of those available through several relevant Content Plus projects. Next, develop a number of value-added services, integrate developed services with existing low-level OpenGIS web services like WMS, etc. Next, deploy a catalog service or create a portal providing access via facility client. Particular task 2.1, metadata model extension, will build on top of results from other projects directly connected to BRISEIDE to its partners. For example, our university's project coordinator of the Plan for All projects. That's one example. Existing data models will be extended to account for time as one of the main variables. Furthermore, as inspired data model is oriented on discovery services, possible extension should be foreseen future utilization of data for environmental risk management, therefore suggesting metadata model related to usage of data. I think I can skip this slide because it was already shown by the project coordinator. Another European projects like AWARE, etc. have shown the importance of using temporal data in the context of many applications. In fact, within this context, it's essential to be able to clearly identify data in the correct temporal description and to filter out data which are not relevant in terms of temporal dimension. So inspired data models and implementing tools are proposing to attach lifecycle information to relevant feature types. The solution envisaged so far is not adequate to cover a number of critical issues. In fact, a recent study commissioned by the has investigated the adoption of temporal information in the context of resources of relevance to the inspired directive. And also the study has underlined that there is a clear need for a description of temporal information. The study has also defined a list of recommendations to benefit from temporal information available within geospatial data. And as highlighted by this document, almost all these steps have specific requirements in terms of temporal data. So in current implementing rules, only 4 temporal elements are considered. I think that it was already mentioned 2, so I will skip this information. However, this information are all related to the resources lifecycle with no direct reference on temporal information on the real phenomenon, with only element temporal extent being partially related to information on the real resource. In fact, although it's possible to describe the event within the resource abstract element with the current model, it's not possible to provide temporal characterization of the phenomenon. For instance, in the case of different satellite imagery showing forest fires, the present models are defining the time when the image showing the fire was taken, but not actually the time the fire took place. As it was already said, BRISEIDE proposes to extend current metadata models to be able to benefit from information available in higher refresh rate, e.g. data coming from sensors. So the BRISEIDE will do both, extend current data models and buy out on top of the extended models special temporal online services. Extending of the current metadata models developed in other projects will include a description of geodata with the possibility of expressing articulated temporal information related to observations as well as on the observed phenomena together with information related to temporal resolution. So to do so, within the scope of the BRISEIDE project, we will explore the extension of a number of temporal elements like valid from, valid to, etc. This will be particularly important to determine if a given resource can be used within a specific time range, or if the information will be replaced at a moment in time or rather if the resource has ceased to exist at a certain time. Extended temporal information are also necessary as a use of different resources that define measurements of the same phenomenon in different periods to be able to benefit from availability of temporal steps. So as I mentioned, on top of the extended models, we are going to buy out value-added spatial temporal online services. This includes both services capable to provide more basic reasoning over time, as well as more advanced services required, for instance, for offline or online normalization of temporal information. So that's all from my side now. Do you have any questions? If not, I will ask in the